Hello and welcome to today's Scriptcase video. My name is Jamie, as you may well know, and this is Scriptcase by Jamie. And here, of course, well, we do Scriptcase and many things in between. So today we are going to have a look at the Scriptcase To-Do List. Yes, something pretty straightforward, but at the same time, a very useful tool. So here within the Scriptcase To-Do List, I can view first of all of my tasks. I can assign tasks to users, I can create tasks on applications, as well as keep my notes, and so much more. Here, for instance, if I come to public list and then the new task button becomes available. So here, for instance, I can create a new task and I'll just call it new task for now. I can give it a deadline as well as a time, a percentage of the task that has been completed. So here, for instance, I could say 10%, as well as indicate who is responsible for this. So here I have 2 users or 3 users in total. So here I can choose a user who is responsible for that. I can also say who can change the task within this public list. So here I will say owner, and that is me. So here I will go ahead and say create, and that has now created a new task for me here, indicating the percentage done, as well as the deadline, options, and much more. And I just need to click on it again to open it, and then from there I can then manage it. Now, if I'm not the owner, then the edit options will no longer be available. It's really as simple as that. Now I have a My List option as well as a project option. And the My List is pretty much the same as the public list. But now here, the project list. The project list is pretty unique because here we can actually create tasks on an application. So here, for instance, I can choose one of the applications I have within this project. Here, for instance, the login page. I will say again, who can change this note, who is responsible, and then the task note or the task title, and say change the login. So here I need to change the login, and then here at the bottom I can add some further content, and I can just say I need to change the login to a HTML login page. Okay, and then just like that I have created a new note associated to an application, which is quite a powerful feature. Because now when I click on it again, I can go ahead and edit it just like I could before. And if I come here to the all list, we can see then also again all of our tasks here. We have some further help here if we need. That will then take us to the manual. And you have quite some information here, which is pretty much what I'm just going over with you now. And then we also have the task list here as well. So we have here the open tasks, completed tasks, as well as the expired tasks. And if we have then these deadlines that have then maybe expired. So if I change this deadline to a few weeks ago, save that, well then that has now updated to now a red color, just as we have here within the left hand side panel, and that is also indicating our expired tasks because this deadline has now passed. It is expired, and this one is an open task, and of course I can open that as well and say, well, that has 100% completed, and then of course I can save that, and there we have then the task indicated as completed within our to-do list. And this is quite a nice feature that we have available within the Scriptcase environment. And believe it or not, there are many other tools, mini tools like this that we can use to enhance our experience as well as the development on projects, especially when working with more people. It's always good then to start maybe thinking of using the to-do list to, track those tasks that are required. Okay, so I hope with that you have learned something in today's episode. So thank you very much for watching, and of course I will see you in the next one.